I'm almost 44 and I found this makeup technique and this makeup products that is something that every lady has to practice. Cream makeup is a must-have for ladies over 40, and I will show you next few minutes how to have amazing flawless look with only these 3 products and damp makeup sponge. This is Makeup Revolution Blush Highlighter Stick in shade Mauve Glow. One side is a blush and another side is a highlighter. It's beautiful pink shade, very pigmented. Another side is highlighter, also beautiful. Other product is bronzer. Actually, it's also Makeup Revolution Matte Base Concealer in shade C14. I'm using it as a bronzer. It's chocolate brown shade and it's amazing product. We'll also use this Catrice Camouflage Concealer only under eyes, center of the forehead and jawline, and this is only minimum to cover the spots that need most coverage. It's very light shade, Porcelain. Then 4 colors on my hand is all you need if you don't like much makeup on your face, if you're in a hurry, if you are over 40s and you have wrinkles, fine lines, pores, and you don't want any powder to be visible on your face. So this is only thing you need for quick and easy makeup look. And damp makeup sponge, I'm using Sosu Cosmetic. So I'm gonna start now by applying this Catrice Camouflage Concealer. This is more than enough. We'll blend everything all well with this damp makeup sponge. As I'm in my 40s, I need most coverage under eyes. I have those fine lines, wrinkles. I have also deep holes under my eyes. We covered those spots that need to be covered, and now I'm gonna use these 2 sticks. I always first add bronzing shade, so a little bit higher than you would do if you were younger. Side of the nose, very little. I'm taking now blush shade. A small spot on your nose and chin. We're taking other side, above blush shade, above the eyebrows. These are all the colors you need. Now we're gonna blend them all. We're gonna start with the bronzer first. I'm gonna do nose first. Now we are blending, same side, we are blending blush. And at the end, highlighter. You can switch the sides with the sponge with a clean side. So our makeup look is done. We used only these 3 products and damp makeup sponge. Let me know in the comments below how do you like this video. Please subscribe if you didn't, and see you soon in my next video. Bye!